Hi, what's up? Welcome to Just Know It. My name is Albert. Now today I'm going to show you a way to convert airtime back into your Momo account. If you are buying airtime, say 1 cedi on MTN and you mistakenly enter 10 cedis, I'm going to show you a way to be able to reverse or convert that airtime back into money, into your Momo account. I have my phone here, let's get into it and I'll show you how it looks like. Alright guys, let me demonstrate it for us to see. Okay, so I'm buying airtime *170 hash. So I have to enter option 3, say airtime over there. Now option 1, airtime, self, I'm buying for myself. I want to buy 1 cedi, but I mistakenly enter 10 Ghana cedis. Okay, so I enter 10 cedis. And then over here I have to enter my code, and guys, like you can see, I've got a 10 cedis airtime. I see this and I'm like, oh no, I needed to buy 1 cedi. All right, let's check my airtime balance. So you can see I have 10 cedis here, and I'm like, no, I wanted to buy 1 cedi. So all right, I need to convert this into money back into my Momo account. So all that you have to do is to dial *170 hash again, and then you have to go to option 6, my wallet. Option 6, my wallet. All right, then you go to option 7, airtime. Now you can see this is the amount of airtime that I bought from mobile money right now, and so I just hit option 1 for the transaction to go through, and it says please confirm the reversal of 10 Ghana cedis airtime to 059, my number, on this particular date. So I just hit option 1, and guys, the airtime will be reversed back into my Momo account as money in no time, where I can even cash it out. All right, so after this, then you can go back to buy your airtime 1 cedi again. So let's wait for the confirmation. Okay guys, so you can see here MTN has successfully reversed my airtime. It says payment received for 10 Ghana cedis airtime reversal. All right, and after this you can get back into your Momo account and buy your 1 cedi airtime. Guys, as simple as this. This is a way just to convert airtime into your Momo account. Airtime into your Momo account. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, just hit the red button there to subscribe. If this video is actually relevant to you, don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon and to support this channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.